Share my screen. Okay, so now I am going to do axis of symmetry. This is our page, what, 22? We started axis of symmetry yesterday. I started explaining to you what the different parts of a quadratic function is. And if you remember, let me go back to that. You remember that your axis of symmetry is the invisible line that cuts the parabola in half. It's the invisible line that cuts the parabola in half, and it's a vertical line. It's a line that goes straight up and down. So the formula for axis of symmetry is x is equal to, it's always going to be x because it's a vertical line. That's the equation for a vertical line. X is equal to. So the formula for getting the axis of symmetry by just looking at the equation is this right here. Okay, and so that's what we're getting ready to do, is just straight do axis of symmetry. What did I say? What page did I say this was? You said 20 what? 22. Okay. All right, so this is page 22, and this is axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is really not that bad, to be honest. It's really not. So again, this is the invisible line that cuts, or the vertical line that cuts the parabola in half. The vertical line, and it is invisible, that cuts the parabola in half. Cuts that parabola right down the middle. The formula is x is equal to negative b divided by 2a. Where do we get these variables from? We get it from the actual equation. Hunter, you okay, baby? Tap. Just give him a little friendly tap. Poor baby. He probably tired. We all tired. No, don't. Oh, did you just give him a friendly tap? Oh, okay, that's sweet of you. See, she cares about you. She wants to see you succeed in life. Now your wife back here, she don't care nothing about you. Yes.
Sixth grade when you and Kira would fight like that, and Miss Huggins would say,
yes, because that's what they do. I'm telling you. No. I'm married. I should know. Yes, my husband and I. I know. We all know you married. We was at the wedding. All right, here we go. So this is how this works. Let's go ahead and do an example. This is simple, okay? It's not really hard at all. Let's just do an equation. I'm printing a bunch of equations. So I'm gonna do one of these, okay? I'm gonna do y is equal to 3x squared minus 54x plus 241. All right, so the very first thing that we need to do is label our A, B, and C. We're just going to label C for the fun of it, because at some point you're going to need C for something, okay? So we're just going to label all three, A, B, and C, if they're present, okay? Remember, A is the only term that has to be present. It's not a quadratic function if there is no x squared term. So we got A, B, C. All right, y'all. What's A? What number is going to be A? Just what number? Not the variable. What number? 3. Positive 3, okay? Just the number that's attached to the x squared term. What's B? 54. What kind of 54 is that? Please take the sign with it. That's negative 54. That's the number that's in front, or the coefficient that is in front of the x. What's C? Positive 241. Good job. All right, so now we're going to write the formula. Okay, so that's x is equal to negative b divided by 2a. So let's substitute and then solve. So x is equal to, let me just go down this way. X is equal to, we bring down the negative, that's a part of the formula. What's B here? Which one of these is B? Negative 54. So put the negative 54, okay? That's B. It's already a negative a part of the formula. This is B. Divided by 2 times, which of these is A? What's A? 3. Okay? So we got a negative times a negative. What's a negative times a negative? So this is going to be positive 54 on the top now. And then we got 2 times 3. What's 2 times 3? 6. So let's divide. When we divide, what does that give us? What does that give us? That gives us 9. So our axis of symmetry is 9. That means that the parabola, whenever we draw our parabola, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is going to be the invisible line that goes down through the center. So wherever that parabola is, it's an upward parabola because A is a positive number, this is going to be the line that cuts the parabola in half. So this is the line that cuts our parabola in half. Any questions about that? Just out the way. Anybody lost? It's not too bad, right? Okay, are we okay? Please tell me. Speak now. I got 1 thumbs up. That's all I got. It's just 1 person. Okay, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna do some more. Okay, let's see about this one. This is number 2. Was everybody finished with that one? All right. So number 2 is y is equal to x squared minus 18x plus 86. So the first thing we do is we're going to label our A, our B, and our C. What's our A? 1. The number that's automatically in front of the x squared term is a positive 1. What's our B? Negative 18. Good job. What's our C? A positive 86. Questions about that? Well, can you open the door, baby? All right, so this is our formula. What's the formula for axis of symmetry?
3 times 4x squared.
Oh, don't listen to that. It's negative B divided by 2A, okay? All right, so now let's substitute. Oh, great. Aw.
But do you see what she said?
Mm-hmm. That's sweet.
Show me now.
She's not in this class. She's in my 6th period. So you can come back during 6th period.
I love her.
Yeah, I love her too. I do too.
We were talking about you yesterday.
Who, me and you? We were? No,
Jose? What did we say about Jose?
I don't remember. There's a lot we could say about Jose. Oh, yes, we were. I forgot all about that. All right, so negative, nothing bad, Jose. All right, so what do we put in the place of B? Negative 18. You know it's all good, Jose. All right, so what are we going to put on the bottom? 2 times what? 1. Great job. So now what is this going to be? This is, all right, so big, good grief. A negative times a negative is a what? This is going to be a positive 18 now, divided by what? 2. And so x is going to be what? I did 2 9s in a row. I sure did. Dagnabbit. I didn't really mean to do that. But it is what it is. Any questions about that? Okay. Yes, baby. We don't use it for this formula, but we do need it for other stuff, but just not for axis of symmetry. Okay. That's why I keep labeling it, because we are going to need it at some point, just not for this. All right, number 3. See if you can do this one. This is x squared. Let me make sure this is not 9 again, right? Okay, it's not. I don't want you to think every answer is 9, you know? It's not. Trust me. All right, see if you can do this one on your own. Please try to do this on your own, okay? Yes, baby. Oh, already? Okay, I believe you. Some of us just finished writing it down. Good grief. I ain't mad at you though. Oh boy, we got word problems to do. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Those are not good ones.
In
I
this
will
class
take
period.
15 minutes for
No, tomorrow.
Oh my god, I was like, my brain is gonna shut down.
My brain is going to shut
Oh,
down.
shut up. You on my
We're the only class that
video.
writes-
You on my video. Stop. Huh?
I know for a fact that we're the only class that writes this book.
No, sixth
So?
period, Mike.
Why? Why us?
All my classes write this much. Why would you think they
I
did?
thought it's more every time you're in second period.
I don't have a second period class.
I mean,
You don't have
fourth
oh.
period. I know y'all ain't writing nothing.
Yes,
Y'all
they
don't
do
talk.
write a lot. They don't
Not
they don't
talking.
talk at all. Not when I'm talking, but they do write a lot.
So we're your best friends.
I don't know about that. Is there
You said favorite or best?
On the exponent
I
page,
know.
you were like all the way at the bottom, and I was still on the first.
Yeah.
Ooh, you gotta be quicker than that.
My hand doesn't function.
Ooh, you gotta be quicker than that. You ain't never seen that commercial. You ain't never seen that commercial before.
No.
You have. Y'all, you need to get out more.
Netflix, you don't need.
Yeah.
It's still TV. Don't you watch Netflix on your TV? So what do you do on your tablet?
We don't watch cable.
It's still TV.
Do you want to know what I watch?
No.
My dad fixes like
What's ABC?
1, 44.
1, -12, and 44. Okay. Guys, you keep forgetting that this is an advanced class. I think y'all forget that. In your minds, I think you think that it's not. And I don't know if you know this or not. A lot of you, this is going to be extremely important because you get high school credit for this. And if you're not ready and you move on to number 2, you're going to struggle the whole year. And that's not cool. So I've got to give you what you need. I got to finish the curriculum. I don't have a choice but to finish the curriculum, or I've done you a disservice. Literally, I would do you a disservice. So you guys suck it up, Buttercup. Suck it up. You gotta suck it up. All right, so here we go. X. All right, so now let's do this. So let's do this. I can hear you. This video is picking up pretty good. So if you see this on YouTube and somebody put it up really loud and they can hear that little thing, I'd be like, it ain't on me. That I can't control what that little monster done said. All right. So here we got negative. What's B? -12. Okay. All right. What's on the bottom? 2 times what? 2 times 1. Good deal. So on the top, what does that give you? +12 divided by what? 2. And what is that? So my invisible line, my horizontal line that goes through the parabola is x is equal to 6. Okay, questions about that? I'm gonna give you 3 to do on your own. Yes, baby. You still copying? What did I put in for A?
Yeah, I used the one today.
Because there's the automatic coefficient here is 1.
What about 2 times 1?
Where? Right here?
Okay.
Here, A is 1. So 2A, 2 times 1. Do you understand or no?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let me give you these 3 problems that I need you to complete. This is number 4. You're gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I told y'all before it was gonna be a lot. I wasn't joking. Well, I try to make you feel better about your life, but I'm trying to make you feel better, trying to make you feel good, but it ain't working, I guess. You'll live. You'll be all right. You'll live. This is it right here. Yes, this would be a -1. Yes,
I'm done.
good.
With all three?
No, you're not.
His brain.
You took over your work.
Trying to switch brains? Literally.
Oh Lord, whatever. Just get it done. Stop talking, get it done. Get her done. Well, stop talking so much.
The thing is, I'm good at these, but I'm not good at word problems.
These word problems are easy
Okay.
because it's common sense stuff, huh?
If he has the negative, he can use 4.
Like we did this one. If we have a negative, we did the first one was kind of like that. You see, we put a negative. The negative is a part of the formula, and then
If it doesn't have negative.
it's just gonna be negative then.
Negative 4.
All right. So we got A, B, C, little jokers. Okay, Bethany, what's your A?
1.
Very good. Camilla, what's your B?
4.
4. And Kevin, what's your C?
5.
5. Good job. So the formula is negative B divided by 2A. So we're going to substitute. Let's substitute this in, okay? So this gives me negative is part of the formula. We're going to plug in the 4. It's positive 4 there. Divided by 2 times my A is 1. So this gives me -4 divided by 2. What's -4 divided by 2? So X is equal to -2. Anybody get that right? Okay, good deal. Sophie, what happened? What happened, baby cheeks?
I accidentally marked that. I thought it was 5.
Okay, gotcha. Understand. Okay, did you already finish number 5? Okay, so I'm gonna wait because I need to know if you get that right. So I'll pause for the calls again, okay? I've missed being in the classroom because this, oh man, it's online day. I like doing online, but you guys, whew, struggle is real. Some of y'all doing amazing, but some of y'all, whew, whiny. It's like, oh my God, what you want me to do? Walk on water? Mm-mm. I can't. Sorry, I'm too fat for that anyway. I float. Yes, yes, it's the range, the output, the dependent variable, the total. It means a lot. It's all good. Do you what in real life, honestly, when you think about it, what in real life is going to make, and it's a lot of things. Let's see if you just think about it. What in real life is going to make a U shape? It's a lot of things that make a U shape. That nope,
A horseshoe?
nope,
A U.
nope. In real world,
A full floaty.
no. Nope.
A smile.
Y'all are thinking very small. You gotta think bigger than that. No,
Rainbow.
no.
Okay.
No,
Money, like it's like.
no, it doesn't. Hopefully it goes this way.
Like how big?
It's going up and down.
Yeah, it goes up and down. What goes up and then goes down?
Mix.
Rocket.
No,
Rocket.
what'd you say? Rockets? Okay, stuff like that. Yes, what else?
A roller coaster.
Not really, but okay.
Stars.
Yeah, roller coaster maybe. Stars.
They like the shooting
Gas.
stars.
Okay, no. A shooting star is not going. No, it's not going to hit the ground. What about a? No, not really.
I got one of the right answers.
A
A rocket.
bridge.
I got 7 out.
Bridge, yeah, a bridge.
A plane.
Well, yeah, a plane possibly. Yes, I think so.
I stole the answer from Maddie.
Yeah.
Helicopter.
Not really.
A beach in the sugar.
What about if you throw a ball, right?
About legs.
A ball. If you jump off a cliff,
We're 2 minutes.
if you, what else? What can you do?
You're gonna go try that out.
Okay, gun. Yep. All those things are real world things when it comes to quadratic functions. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and stop it here.
Wait, what's number 6?
Oh my God.
For number 6.
Adding.
Negative
Yeah,
5.
I get to go.
Five. Yes.
Okay. That's what I was saying. My brain doesn't work right now.
Oops.